Hello viewers, my name is Dia Emmanuel, and on this video I'm going to be showing you one of my Arduino projects. It's called a code-based dialog. So I'm going to show you how it works. Pause. So this is the project. This is the keypad, the Arduino Mega, the servo motor, and the lock, and also the power input code for the Arduino Mega. So this is how it works. We connect the keypad to the Arduino Mega and also the servo motor to the Arduino Mega. So in the code, it has already been written that when you input your code, it sends information to the Arduino Mega, which also sends information to the servo motor, which turns and then opens the lock. As you can see, you input your code. Then as you can see, it will open. Then after some seconds it locks back. You can, maybe if you want to see that again. Okay, so after some seconds it will automatically lock. And also, when there's power outage, maybe you, well, this is just a prototype. So when there's power outage, like there's power outage now, and it is left open, as soon as the power comes in, it automatically locks. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.